In this tutorial, I will show you how to match colors in Photoshop. Let's get started. Pick the Quick Selection tool. Select the areas you want to change the color. From the Layers panel, click on the adjustment icon and choose Gradient Map. Make sure the Gradient Map layer is selected and not the mask layer. Now click on the Color Gradients. Double-click on this color slider and pick a color from the darkest area of the image. Hit OK. Click here to create a new slider. Make sure it's exactly in the middle. Double-click and pick the middle color of the image. Lastly, pick the brightest area of the image. Set brightness to 100%. Press Ctrl+G to make a group. Drag the mask layer onto the group layer. Create a levels layer. Drag the middle slider to the right a bit. Change levels mode from normal to luminosity. This is the final result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.